Good morning, everyone. We are now in chapter 1, the providence to lay the foundation for restoration. So, about the section 1, the providence of restoration in Adam's family. So, the providence of restoration to be accomplished in Adam's family, the members of the family had to make certain condition of indemnity to restore the foundation of faith and the foundation of substance. So on these two foundation, the foundation for the Messiah was to have been established, and the Messiah could have come to Abraham's family. Okay, so let's talk about the foundation of faith. So the foundation of faith, to restore to indemnity the foundation of faith, fallen person must set up an object for the condition for God's word. For Adam's family, this object was sacrificial offering. So to restore the foundation of faith, there must also be a central figure. So the central figure was Abel. Okay. So what was the reason for this? So to restore the foundation of faith, there must also be a central figures, yet no in the biblical record do we find Adam offering a sacrifice. Instead, his sons Cain and Abel offered them. Okay, so Abel and Cain offered. So what was the reason for this? God symbolically divided Adam, who embodied both good and evil. So good and evil, by giving him two sons, Abel and Cain, representing good and evil. And God set them in position where each dealt with only one master God, or Satan. So, and had them offer sacrificial separately. Cain was chosen to represent evil. Okay? So therefore he was in a position to relate with Satan. Abel was chosen cho- to represent goodness. Therefore, he was in a position to relate with God. So Abel made the offering in a manner acceptable to God in this way. So the successful laid the foundation of faith. So about the foundation of substance, had Cain fulfilled the indemnity condition to remove the fallen nature, God would have gladly accepted this sacrifice. The foundation of substance would then have been laid in Adam's family. So, to remove the fallen nature, a person must make an indemnity condition by taking a course which reverses the process through which human beings initially acquired the fallen nature. So, tomorrow we're going to talk about the causes of the primary characteristic of the fallen nature. So, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.